Hi, I'm Beer. Welcome to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Pattaya, the show I'll be teaching you all the important words you need to know in easy to remember ways. Hey guys, welcome back to Thai in 2 Minutes here on Buzzin Pattaya. I'm Beer and today I'll be teaching you about useful words that you may or may not hear in bars here in Pattaya.
Okay, Beer, so we're talking about useful words. So how do I know if someone thinks I'm telling them a bit of a lie? I mean, how would they say to me, oh, lying?
Well, they call you a liar, so they go hok.
Go hok.
Go hok means lie.
Oh, okay, so if you hear the word go hok, you know you're in a bit of trouble.
Go hok, yeah.
Alright, and it generally means that she doesn't believe you.
Pretty much, yeah.
Okay, alright. I mean, the word that we all like to hear, and especially when you walk down the streets, is they call it a handsome man. How would they say to you, oh, you're a handsome man in Thai?
Everybody likes to hear, you can speak for yourself there, mate. But handsome is law.
Law.
So L-O-R.
Oh, I see. So if they say like kun law,
yeah,
it means you're handsome.
Law mark, something like that. Very
Oh,
nice.
okay, alright. And let's just say we want to leave and we're going to ask the girl, would you like to come with me? Or she wants to come with me and suggest that. How would she say that? How would she say, let's go together?
So there's the correct way of saying it is ไปด้วยกัน
By doi gan.
Yeah, but sometimes they just shorten it to ไปกัน
By gan. Okay,
Yeah,
so
by gan.
by doi gan means let's go
So
together.
Let's go together, and ไปกัน is let's go.
Okay, that's cool. Obviously, we've just mentioned about the word go hok, which is lying. And sometimes they say, oh, you have a girlfriend? And then that comes with like go hok. So how are they asking you, do you have a girlfriend? How would they ask that?
Well, generally speaking, it would be มีแฟน
Me fan.
มีแฟนไหม or
Oh,
มีแฟน
okay.
หรือยัง
And my being the question, isn't it?
Yeah,
Me
so
fan
มีแฟน
mai.
ไหม
So would they say like kun me fan mai?
Yeah, they would generally say that, but
Okay.
some bars would say T-Rock instead.
Tirak.
So,
Oh, yeah, I've heard that
มี
word.
T-Rockไหม So,
Okay.
do you have a lover? Yeah, do you have a lover?
Okay, all right, that's cool, that's good. And just lastly, then, one of the questions that I think they ask everybody is, how old are you? How do they say to me, like, how old are you? Be kind, be kind.
อายุเท่าไหร่
Ayut tarai.
อายุเท่าไหร่
Ayut tarai. I say, 'cause when they say ayut tarai, that's when I say 21 and they say go hok mark.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
I
the
got
one,
it.
yeah.
Okay, so let's have a quick recap then. So, liar.
โกหก
Okay, handsome.
หล่อ
I want to go with you.
ไปกัน
Do you have a girlfriend?
มีแฟนไหม
And how old are you?
อายุเท่าไหร่
Okay.
Alright guys, that's me for today. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications of my next video. You can comment below if you have any questions, and if you didn't know, I now have a Facebook group which the link will be in the description below. So if you guys want to join in and ask some questions on there, perfect. I'll be dropping in some keywords each day, and yeah, we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.